So in this tip, user experience management. So first thing we want to have a look at is the Solution Manager Work Centers, Technical Monitoring Work Center, and then from here we fire up the User Experience Monitoring, select a system of choice, and wait till it fires up. So you'll start it embedded, or outside. So here it goes. So that's the native screen that you'll see. So this is the scripts which are running according to the time. These are the robots which are actually running the scripts. So if you pick the ones, you just have a look at the UI as I flick through. So if you just look at the biggest red one, they're the ones which have the longest response time. So if you hover, you can get some information. So the green obviously is within the thresholds, the red have exceeded the thresholds. And we can have a look at the trend lines in the bottom right quadrant. So as we flick through, we're having a look at a big one here. So if I hover, I can find out the details. And now I'm going to fire up the trace analysis to find out the details for this particular robot. This will take a little while, and I'll fire up an Internet Explorer screen with the details. So here you can see there's a large amount of GUI time. So we want to find out what that is. So as we click in down the bottom, you can see it's mainly made up of memory. So we've got a memory issue for this particular transaction, or the robot has found an error for the memory. As we flick through, we can get some additional information. All right, so that's drilling in. Now I want to show you what the dashboards would look like. So if we flick back out to the main menu again, and we take the same work center. So this time we're going to move into the dashboard side of the user experience monitoring. So we wait for this thing to paint. And these are the management dashboards out of the can. So you can change some of these. So you can add your own elements in the dashboard. So here I'm going to go into edit mode. And when we go into edit mode, we wait. You'll pick the element that you want to add into the dashboard. It'll show you the systems and the metrics to put in. So here they're going to go after a couple of systems, and we're going to go after the Solution Manager system in these. So this tells the dashboard the location of the robot. Now if we add it in, you wait for that to render. It'll join the group, and it'll start actively reporting the metrics. Right, so you can hover around, and by clicking on the element within the dashboard, you can bring it up